guys, welcome to Tarang's gallery. This video is about how to add depth effect to a photo. Generally all photos are not suitable for this effect, but some photo looks good. Let's say if a plant or flower or any kind of macro photography, if we add some depth to them, they look more beautiful. So guys, I'm using this photo to demonstrate in Lightroom. Let's begin. Here I am cropping the photo a little bit to make my subject feel more of the frame. Now adjust the light to make your subject more vivid and clear and background darker by decreasing the blacks and shadows. Now go to the curve tool on the top right of light adjustment tool. Here I will increase the dark tones to add some faded texture to the image, then adjust the midtones and light tones. Now go to the color tool and adjust the temperature, vibrance and saturation. Here on the top right there is a mix tool. I'll open it and select the green color and pull the hue bar halfway towards the aqua side. Now go to the effect tool and increase the clarity, decrease the vignette to give depth to photo and fully reduce the midpoint and max out the feather and adjust the roundness according to the vignette you want in your photo. Now go to details tool and sharpen it a little bit. After you're done, save the image. Actually we are not done yet. Now I will use Snapseed to make further tuning in my image. I'll open Snapseed and select the photo. As you can see, there are holes and spots on the leaf and it ruins the photo. So I'll use the healing tool to remove them. Now it depends upon you if you want to make further adjustment. As you can see, I did a little adjustment in structure and tone curve. Now as it is done, I'm saving the photo. Thank you guys for watching. Hit a like and subscribe to my channel, turn on notification to stay tuned for upcoming new videos. Share your feedback and new ideas in comment section.